Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Brian Kelly here. I have been absent, haven't done any videos in a while, and just wanted to do one today. Today is Saturday. It's the day before Resurrection Sunday, and just wanted to say hello, let you guys know that I'm still alive. I'm still doing well. I just haven't done many videos lately. Just been kind of busy doing other things, and life kind of happens and that sort of thing. But all my businesses are still going strong. Things are going well, and just excited about life and new things that are about to happen and everything like that. I'll check the mail right now. So, as always, just want to encourage everyone to hang in there, whatever you're doing, whatever type of business or job that you're doing. Just continue to do it, and don't get discouraged and those sort of things. All right, that's very important. And also, I want to, and I've mentioned this so many times before, but learning a skill, and that skill is trading, is one of the best things that you can do. Now, as you guys know, I do a lot of marketing type businesses and stuff like that. And those businesses are fantastic. They really are. The only thing about it is you've gotta consistently do mailings or advertising and that sort of thing. And it's not. I'm not gonna say it's you can't make money, but it's not like consistent where you can like rely on the money and say, hey, I'm gonna make $100 today or $200 today. But with trading, you can definitely do that. The way I have a couple of different trading programs, one for the S&P 500 and one for the E-mini Dow. And those are trading programs that you can, and I'm not making any guarantees. I wouldn't do that. That's illegal to do that. But I teach it in such a way to make really small gains, but it's about consistency. So you're making consistently small gains over a period of time, and as you begin to build your portfolio, you begin to scale. And when you're scaling, you're simply adding more contracts, larger numbers of contracts to your trading portfolio. All right, and as you do this, you're trading the same amount of time, but you're making more money. Okay, and so I have this. I had, as an example, I have the Dow course that I have is really nice because it teaches you a very specific way to trade the Dow and make yourself. Now this is on one contract only. Make yourself about $40 to $50 per day. All right, that's gross profit per day. Net, I would say. Let's see here. I'd say 35 to $45 per day. That's after commissions and so forth. Okay. Now that doesn't sound like a lot of money, and it's not at first. Okay. But what happens is you're simply taking one trade per day. This trade happens like literally like every single day. It does. All right. And the percentage as far as you having success with this trade is extremely high, like 90 some percent. Okay. I was able to use this methodology, and I think it was I don't have this right in front of me, but like for almost like 2 months or so, I want to say, and I had like 40. Like I'm sorry, I took like 45 trades, and I had 44 wins and only one loss, which is fantastic. And the thing about it is, guys, I went through this trading method. You know, I didn't believe myself when it happened, but I went and I tried it again, and I back tested it again, and sure enough, it did work. Okay, I don't believe in taking trades and teaching something that is very very high risk, and has a chance of you losing all your money. I don't want to do that. I would never do that. But I look at something more conservative that you can do, and you can make some really serious money. Now, again, on one contract, you're netting between $35 to $45. Now, the real money comes in when you, instead of trading one contract, you start trading three contracts, then five contracts, and 10 contracts. Okay, as an example, if you were to trade 10 contracts and you make 8 to 10 points, then we're talking about let me see here, $40 times 10. So that's like $400 to $500 per day gross profit. That's on 10 contracts. Now, you're not going to do that like right off the bat, but as time goes on and you build your confidence up, again, this method that I teach, it's a trade per day, and it works, guys. It really, really, really works. I have a course that teaches you exactly how to do this. Spells out everything. You can go in once you get the course. You can look at. They have a videos and that shows you exactly how to set everything up, how to take the trade, when to take the trade, how to get in, how to get out. It's very thorough. It's very, very thorough. I don't believe in a lot of fluff. It's straight to the point. And if you get the course and you actually put it into action, then you can definitely make some money. But if you don't, if you just get it and you read it and you put it on your shelf, and of course you're not going to make any money. That's with anything. It really is. And this is just for the Dow course. Now I have another course for the S&P 500. That course, you can pretty much trade that course all day if you want to. That's another course that's very, very good. Highly conservative. You're not making a whole lot of points, but you're getting very small, bite-sized profits. And I do that because, again, I'm conservative. I want to make sure that you don't lose, any money and that sort of thing. So I'm extremely safe. This method is extremely safe in implementation. Okay, if you get a signal, you take the trade. If you don't, then you don't take the trade. Simple as that. And again, these trades happen every single day, Monday through Friday. That's the great thing about this thing. And again, as you do this trading, more and more, every day, well, you get better at it. And the thing about it is, with the S&P 500 course, which is really good, is that you can trade this course, pretty much anytime, during the day or night. If you have a regular 9 to 5 job, that's still fine. You can trade it when you come home after work, or you can trade it before you go to work. So it's kind of a win-win situation all the way around. And and I can't tell you what to do, but in this day and age, with jobs going away, and I heard something where it was Elon Musk was saying something like, was it what do you call it? The where computers take over, the AI, yeah, artificial intelligence, that's taking over jobs. If you're a programmer in the high tech field, as time goes on, that's AI is going to take your job. It's going to take your job. So over the next 5, 6, 7 years, jobs are not going to be as plentiful as they were because technology is taking over those jobs. And one thing I will say is this: when you are a trader, okay, whether you're full-time or part-time, okay, no one can take that away from you. No one can take that knowledge. Once you get that knowledge, once you learn how to trade, okay, not depending on indicators, I'm talking about learning how to actually trade. This is something that I teach in my course, okay, then you will literally be bulletproof, okay? You can have a job, and if for some reason you get laid off your job and you have this knowledge in your head and you know what you're doing and you're consistently doing it and making profit, you don't have to stress about, where am I going to make money from, about my job and so forth, because this type of operation would have you. This is going to teach you how to be independent, how to stand on your own 2 feet. You're not worrying about having to mail out packages and depend on people to sign up under you and things like that. Again, I'm not knocking those things because I still do those things, but I'm going to be very honest with you. Those things are not really consistent. You can't say, hey, I'm going to make this today, I'm going to make that today, because, you know, people will buy when they want to buy, and you can't control that. But when you are a trader, it's you, your skill set, and your computer in front of you. All right. You're not trading all day. You're trading maybe 30 minutes, an hour at the very most per day, making your money, and then you're going on and living your life until the next day. That's how it works. I mean, that's as simple as that. My course is not complicated at all. Very straightforward to the point. And I know with the Dow course, I'm so confident in its ability to make you money. I even offer a money back guarantee. If what I'm saying doesn't, if you don't, if you don't profit like I tell you, you don't have to pay. You just send it back. I mean, there's obviously some stipulations there. You just can't get it and read it and then ask for your money. I'm not going to do that. That's crazy. But if you put forth some effort, okay, put forth some effort and do what I tell you to do. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you, you can be very successful with this program. I'm telling you. Bottom line is you've got to learn how to trade. You've got to learn how to trade because that is the future. Okay. Kids nowadays, when they get out of high school, they go to college. Getting a college degree, a BA or a BS, it's very, very expensive, extremely expensive. And when you get those degrees, guess what? You have so many other students who have the same degrees who are competing for the same job that you are. Okay, so it's just, it's, and again, I'm not knocking, college education by any means. I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is this: you've got to have a second income. You've got to have a side hustle, if you will, to make things work for you. If you have a job, continue to work in your job. I'm not saying it. You continue to work in your job, do a great job. If make as much money as you can, but at the same time, have something part time like this trading. I'm not telling you to do this thing full time. I'm just saying take an hour a day at the very most. Learn this. Trade when you get home from work. Trade before you go to work. Okay, make yourself $100 a day, $200 a day. Take that money, reinvest it in back into your account, or do whatever you want to with it. And that's the bottom line, guys. That's all. That's all. As you guys can tell, I'm like very, very passionate about this. But that's how I see things. That's how I see things, and I know that you can do this. I know it will work for you, but you got to take action. All right. If you don't do anything, you're not going to get anything. Seriously. As simple as that. Okay. So I'm sorry for rambling on. I've not made any videos in a long time, so that's why I'm kind of like talking. But I'm gonna leave my link in the comment section below for both of my programs, for the SP 500 as well as for the E-mini Dow program. Okay. Again, the SP 500 course is a great course. Both of them are great courses, but the SP 500 course is something where you can trade, pretty much all day if you want to. The Dow course is a course that has one trade per day, extremely high percentage trade, 90% plus trade success ratio. That's what it proved to be before. And it works, guys. It really does work. All right. So, with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will chat with you a little bit later. Be sure to go and look at the video of both courses. If you have questions, I'll leave my cell phone number as well. You can always give me a call and ask me some questions. And just all I'll ask you to do is watch the videos and follow the very direct directions that it gives you. It's going to tell you to send an email to an email address. And now, of course, I'll send you the form that you can look at that shows you more information about the course itself. Okay? So with that being said, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.